going on YouTube? Storm Rider Wood 16 coming at you with another video from San Diego, California. I'm out here with the Indian Motorcycles Riders Group. We're headed up to Temecula for our monthly ride. It's the first ride of the year, so it should be fantastic. I hope you all had a great New Year. Hope you all had a great Christmas, because I certainly did. One of the gifts that I got for myself was this FXRP windshield by Klock Werks. Prior to this windshield, I had the Clearview Shields windshield that came with this FXRP fairing. So I decided to switch it out, and on this ride we're going to go ahead and talk about the things I like about it and just give you my overall review on it. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, let's talk about installation. Really, there's not much to talk about. It's so easy that a monkey could do it. If I could do it, I'm pretty sure you could do it. All you need to do is line up the holes, use a Phillips screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. So one of the first things that's noticeable about this windshield is how it kind of slopes down towards the sides, which is referred to as the hips of the windshield. So it's a little bit higher in the middle, a little bit lower off to the sides, and then of course you have the flare. So it gives it a more stylish, aggressive look, which I like, and I personally think it looks better than my last windshield from Clearview Shields. Not that that windshield looked bad or anything, I just think this looks better in my honest opinion. Alright, so the main difference between this windshield and my last, I would say, is the height. This is a 9-inch flared windshield. The Clearview shield I had was 8 inches. May not seem like much of a difference, but I would say it is. After installing this, I probably noticed maybe a 30 to 40% reduction in buffeting. And I noticed that the wind is no longer hitting my neck. And for those of you who ride in cold weather, I'm sure you understand that when you get cold air hitting your neck, it sucks and it's not very enjoyable. So this definitely pushes that wind up a little bit higher, and you know, anything that reduces buffeting is going to make your ride much more enjoyable. So when it comes to comfort, I would say 2 thumbs up. Alright guys, so what are my final thoughts on this windshield? Is it worth it? Should you buy it? And in my honest opinion, absolutely. I think this windshield is great. It serves its purpose. It's made my ride that much more comfortable. And if you're interested in getting a new windshield for your FXRP fairing, definitely check out Klock Werks. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'm certainly not. And I will probably eventually get the 12-inch windshield for longer rides. I'm pretty sure that will get rid of buffeting probably by 100%. But with this windshield, I think it's great. I could clearly see over the top of it, and as I mentioned, my ride is much more comfortable now with it. So looks great, feels great, has an aggressive look, and I am happy with it. So I'm going to continue on this ride with the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group, so I hope you all stay on this little journey with me. And again, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, guys. And remember, until the next ride, to be safe and to always have fun.